Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. Super easy and perfect for keeping your browser fast and your online experience smooth. Clearing your browsing data is important. It helps maintain privacy, speeds up your browser, and can even fix websites that load slowly or don't display correctly. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will have you navigating Edge like a champ. First, open Microsoft Edge. Just look for that distinctive blue and green swirl icon on your desktop, taskbar, or in your programs, and click it. Once Edge is open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. This shortcut brings up the Clear Browsing Data window instantly, saving you from digging through menus. Here, you'll see a few options to customize what you want to remove. Start by choosing the time range, from the past hour to all time. Shorter intervals keep recent data, while longer intervals give you a clean slate. Next, select what to clear. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Cookies are small files websites save on your computer, which can slow things down over time. Cached files help pages load faster, but too many of them can also bog down your browser. Clearing both keeps Edge running smoothly. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Now. Your data will be removed immediately. For best results, close Edge and reopen it. This ensures all changes take effect. And that's it. Your cookies and cache are cleared, your browser is faster, and your online privacy is more secure. Doing this regularly can really improve your browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.